Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle here, and today's vlog, it's another collaboration, it's another unboxing, and it's another review vlog with this scent perfume fragrance from Hilton Rosé Rush Perfume. So oh my god, I love Hilton, one of my idol, because since she is very iconic, you know, as we all know as women, and nobody don't know Hilton. So I have here, it's Hilton Rosé Rush fragrance, and you know, today it's another special content because it's Hilton Rosé Rush Perfume vlog. I'm gonna unboxing this together, so yeah, stay tuned, bear with me, and be frosty because we gonna unbox this together. Oh my goodness, oh my god, look at that one. So yeah, I can't wait. I'm super excited to open this, to unbox this fragrance from Hilton. So I can't wait. Let's keep the ball rolling. So yeah, this is Rosé Rush Perfume from Hilton. I love pink as well, so I'm also attracted with the, you know, the box. And the box, I was first glance, I was attracted to the bottle of this perfume. So, you know, let's open this one together. Oh my god, I can't wait. Oh my goodness, so I love it. Oh my G. Look at how huge, how big. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. How amazing is the bottle? It looks like, you know, a dress. It looks like, you know, it looks like a mermaid dress or a mannequin that it has a dress in it, you know. Oh my god, Hilton, I'm in love. I'm in love with this perfume bottle. And of course, the bottle, it doesn't matter. It's what matters the most, it's the scent. So we're gonna try and how it smells, but I'm pretty sure it's really, since I picked this perfume, really summery and earthy smell, or smells like floral, I bet. So yeah, let's put it right there, because I love the box. So, oh my goodness, so I can't wait to wear this one. So I love the bottle. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm gonna read it to you, and what are how this item, this perfume smells like. So Hilton, it's Hilton, an iconic businesswoman and entrepreneur, has carved her path, her setting trends, breaking boundaries, and defying expectations from social media to television, podcasting, and NTF. She has built an empire, of course. And however, her journey begins with fragrances, and the passion project turned multi-million-dollar business. And her debut scent, Hilton for Women, revolutionized celebrity fragrance way back in 2004. That was a trivia. So now let's move on to these items, or to this perfume, to this kind of scents or fragrance, and how it, you know, how it smells like, or what are the cons and the pros or, you know. So inspired by, this one is inspired by a flirtatious love story, of course. And Paris Hilton Rush creates an aura of femininity by weaving together a multitude of florals and enhance of rose petals notes. The fragrance creates luxurious veil of lychee, papaya, and amber of the journey to forever after. Oh my goodness! I can't wait to wear this one, you know. And it's captivating women's perfume. This is really perfect for us women. So why won't you grab and purchase this perfume? I highly recommended this one to all women out there, to all my friends out there, or any, you know, man can purchase this one to you know, give to your girlfriends, or if you're a father, you can give to your husband, or if you're a husband, you can give to your wife or to your daughters, you know. So yeah, it's flirtatious floral scents. It's Rose Rush, and it's a captivating floral fruity fragrance with vibrant notes of papaya, peony, and May Rose. Oh my goodness. And its long-lasting scent, it's elevate your daily scents with 3.4 ounce bottle, and it's Rose Rush Perfume designed to encapsulate the essence of everlasting love. So Paris Hilton fragrance, it's a global icon and entrepreneur. Paris revolutionized the celebrity fragrance category in 2004 with her first scent, and now with 29 fragrances. Oh my goodness. So I think this is my first ever fragrance from Paris Hilton, because first, like I said, first and foremost, I was attracted with the bottle because it's pink. I love pink, and the bottle shape, it looks like a dress like a mermaid cat that suit to a mannequin or a woman. This is a woman without, you know, without a head, you know. Look at that. So, and this is the mermaid cat of a gown. I super love this one. And sorry about that. And so yeah, and this is really perfect for gifts or to any of your friends, or, you know, because the bottle, and it's like smells so good. I bet. Let me try. Can't wait this one. See the cup? It's like this is like the cord. It looks like a corset, you know. It looks like a corset, the bottle. And there you go. Just, oh my goodness, it smells so good. It smells so good. Yeah, I can smell. Let me try it again. So this is like 100 milliliters, and it's, yeah, it's floral scents. It's floral scents, this one. And you know, yeah, like I said in the description, it's weaving together. It's weaving together of multitude of florals and enhanced rose petals. It's yeah, I can tell this one. I can smell the rose petals notes. This one I can smell the rose petals, and it creates luxurious veil of lychee and papaya, and also the amber of the journey to forever after. So, oh my goodness, I think this is very sensual and flirtatious perfume. Of course, I can tell. So yeah, my final verdict with this perfume is smells so good. It smells awesome. Smells like, yeah, this is perfect for us women. You know, this is really perfect for us and for us women. And it's the femininity that's expressed to this perfume. That's my final verdict. And aside from its floral smells from the rose petals and its femininity that's expressed from itself, it's really amazing. I would really recommend it to my friends. So yeah, that's it for today's videos, guys, and thank you for watching. And this has been Erica Lifestyle to you, saying to you goodbye and see you next time in my vlog. So take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.